Hey everyone, this is Brandon with Ultimate Dent Repair, and I just recently repaired this hail damaged roof from this 2015 Chevy Equinox. This roof had hundreds of dents all over it. Definitely a time-consuming repair, but overall came out wonderfully. Left side wasn't as bad as the right side of the roof. Here's a side view from the right side of the vehicle. Just all those dents up there. And here's the after shot of the roof. Again, came out really nice. This is what you should expect from a hail damage repair. This is pre-damaged condition right here. And you could follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook at Ultimate Dent, Instagram Ultimate Dent, and Twitter Ultimate_Dent. And thank you again for watching.